Hello, this is Mr. Tubb, and I wanted to post a really quick video on exactly how to get to and use my website. As you guys know, I put quite a bit of materials on there, and it would really help a lot of students if they are checking in with that very often. So, really quick, my address, mrtubb.weebly.com. You can see that at the top. And then you'll see the major page, which is, tips for success and some scientific study tips and so on. On the left is pretty much where I put everything. You could learn all about me, contact information. This is actually disabled. So if you want an email added to my email list, just go ahead and email that to me personally, and I'll add it to the email list. Homework calendar. This is where you can access your students' homework for that particular day. The scientific method is actually completed at this time in our class, but if you'll notice, I put the dates on each day so that you know exactly what time of the day or whatnot it actually occurred. So we are currently finished. Today's the 7th or the 27th of September. So if you move on to the next unit, it's matter and changing properties. So this is our last class in the actual lesson that I'm teaching today. If you notice this presentation, when you click to that, it'll actually give a rundown of the lesson or things that we've done in class. Embedded into the presentation are certain videos, and usually I provide times and certain bullet points with the videos. Looking through some of the notes, there are, like I said, videos embedded and resources and comparisons and different things for the students to look at. Here's a summary page that actually goes through and defines a lot of the terms that we'll be studying. And then there's usually some sort of quiz or something at the end of the presentation. Videos are usually attached and so on. Now, I haven't put a date on day 2 because I haven't exactly decided all the details of that lesson. So if you're looking ahead, just be aware that day 2, day 3, day 4, and so on, those are resources from the previous years. However, that may not be all of the details for that particular lesson. So when I put a date on it, that usually means that it's finalized and it's ready to be reviewed. And so example, this project, we may or may not do this particular project, but it's there for me so I can look at it and decide whether that's something that we want to do or not. Same thing can be applied to the rest of the units. So here are the rest of the units on the left. We have quite a few there, and other resources for you. So hopefully this was helpful. Make sure you can share this with your child at home, and that way we make sure they really do know how to use the website. I reference it quite a bit in class, but a lot of times they might not hear me personally explain it in as much detail as this was.